Picture yourself in the 2022 Toyota Highlander. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a sleek and sporty Toyota Highlander your family will love. From its safety and driver assistance tech to its multiple climate control zones and infotainment system, this smooth-riding, quiet, roomy 3-row crossover offers the capability and creature comforts to help you make the most of every road trip. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, power liftgate, fog lamps, satellite radio, remote engine start, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist. Feel the confidence that comes standard with this safe and solid Highlander. It's waiting for you, and our professional team is eager to give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.